New year, new topics, new videos. This one, it's been something that I've been reluctant to get into, but I'm going to try and do it today, and that is VNET jails. Let's jump in and see if we can get it sorted. All right, this is just a practice. This is not on a production box or anything like that. This is literally just a VM running in Hyper-V if anyone's interested. So this VM has 2 network cards or 2 NICs assigned to it. Both are external so that I've got the outside world. And I just want to see if this works, really. So let's jump into my terminal and have a look. I think I'm going to need coffee for this one. Oh, so glad I got my coffee machine working. All right, so the kind of way that this works is that you're basically setting up a bridged network card. So let's follow, and for anyone who's interested, I'll leave a link down below on what I'm doing and where I'm getting this information from. It's straight from FreeBSD's wiki. So we're going to jump into our rc.conf, and we'll do it here underneath the networking section. So the first couple of lines we need is this one here. So we'll call it bridge 0 just so that we know what we're doing. Yeah, I don't know if this will work because I don't quite understand how that's coming about. Let's give it a go and just see how this works, because so equals in brackets quote marks if underscore bridge 0 KLD list, right? If bridge if e pair. Okay, let's see if that works. So let's restart the networking and the routing. Of course that will go doolally. So let's okay, so I've lost internet. My suspicion is because it was set up as DHCP, which we don't want. So let's open another putty. Right, so what was it? 85 net mask. I never remember my subnet mask. Okay, so it is a possibility that I can put /23 in there, isn't it? And default router 86.1. Okay, so service net if restart and service routing restart. Okay, so I've got network again. Let's ping Google to find out. No, I haven't. Interesting. I did say this may or may not work. Doesn't like that, does it? I'm pretty sure that is my net mask. No, 254. Okay, let's restart. Too many quote marks. Didn't come up properly. Let's see if that works. Now, I know you guys can't see any of this, and I apologize for that, but yeah, I want to get this running first. I can't ping. I don't understand what's going on here. Like I said, it's not working properly, and I can't for the life of me see why. Okay, so I have network again, I think. I do have network again. Right, okay. Right, so where was I? Let's get you out of the way. And get you out of the way. And restart you. So what have we got in our rc.conf at the moment? Okay, so we do have our bridge let's see what we got in our if config. Okay, let's move swiftly along to the next part. So we got our KLD list, right? Right, let's put a comment in. Let's get rid of that. Never liked that comment. Okay, so oopsie. Should be there, shouldn't it? Like so. All right. Okay, so what's next? DevFS. Okay, fine. Let's restart DevFS. Now, bearing in mind there is no firewall on this VM at the moment. Okay, right. Let's set up the jail.conf. We're just going to go copy and paste, and I'm gonna make all of this, or shall I just leave it like that? No, we're going to explicitly name it, and I don't like them in there. We're going to call this a test. Ooh, test? Who's test? Right, host name, we'll just call it, okay. All right, so we're just going to do the basic copy and paste of setting up a jail according to this wiki. So where did I put it? User home jail test, and we're going to use BSD install to go user home jail test. Yeah, main site. Ports. We don't need the source. We'll have the tests. Let it do that. Well, that's a good start. At least it's actually making the jail. Said I'd need coffee, didn't I? Okay, extracting the ports. I've never ever gotten a VNet jail to work, so hopefully we don't want dump dev, don't need mouse, we do need SSH, and we do need NTP. Yeah, sure, default. Now, someone mentioned on one of the comments on one of these videos that you shouldn't put your user into the wheel group, and you're right, you shouldn't. You should probably put it in staff or something else. I just do it because it's easy. In these videos, it's not like these are production machines, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. And if I haven't stated that, I probably should have done. My bad. Moving along. Just in case, won't ever happen, but just in case, login class default, CSH, yeah, I know, old school. Everything else default, set a password, no, yes, no. Right, let's have a quick look. So it is there. So now that I've done that, we've set up the rc.conf, we've set up, excuse me, we've set up the devfs. We now need to set up the epair. So let's do that. This is where it all falls apart. Okay. So far so good. Cannot start. Oh, of course, yeah, that helps, doesn't it? Now, it's worth just noting that nowhere in this wiki entry does it say to have that. However, it's pretty obvious. And I'm pretty sure I need a jail list, don't I? So I'm just going to quickly log into my big pardon. Yeah, just need a jail list. So we'll take them. Test, we called it, didn't we? All right. You can go away. Don't need you. Right. Why is that? I mean, it's there. What can't it find? I'm going to comment these out. See what it does. Spot of luck. This works. Fingers crossed. Foo. Who's named it Foo? Did I call it Foo? I bloody well did. Look at that. Right, I'm going to uncomment my rc.conf jail list, and I'm going to restart this VM, see what happens. Let's do it properly. Let's let it come up. Cannot start jail test. Why not? Okay, right, I can see why straight away. Let's restart this because I added it to epair 01A, didn't I? Yeah, that should be A. Okay, so the You have to create that e-pair every time, I think. Yeah, you do. Let's start that jail. Taking a while, but it's out. Okay, let's get into that jail. Okay, it's running. I don't think this should work. No, obviously, and there's a reason for that. Hasn't got Pico. Yeah, see? Of course it's not going to work. There is no networking set up in here. All right. So let's get our... We only want that, really. Test, key map, and we need to know what interface it is. So let's come out for a minute. Save changes, and we want if config, and that's what it is. Shut up. All right, let's restart this jail. So we'll come out of it, wonder what's going to happen to it. I don't understand why it takes so long to start up. It's a bit of a strange one. Because it's running. So we're in that jail. JExec, number of jail, and the shell that you want, or any program, come to think of it. If config, let's see what we got. Nothing. Interesting. Why is that? I mean, we've got everything in here, so why haven't we got networking? So why has it only got localhost? Why? For that answer, we look at etcjail.com. Okay, so it's not picking up DHC client. Why is that? Because on ePair now, which is very odd, it's still not picking up. This is really weird. Yeah, but why? Okay. I don't understand why. Should we put a console log in there and restart it? Allow raw sockets. Exec clean. I don't understand where it's getting that from. I want to change this. So Vermadden, as most people on here will know, does a lot of excellent stuff. And I'm gonna copy his jail.conf. What's it called? Test. Right. var log console. Right, so we want user home jail name. I'm going to do it explicitly because that's what I've done so far. The IP I want it to be. Oh, okay, that's what he's doing. Right, I get it. So we want 10.148.86, and that should be 23. Gateway. Okay. Let's reboot. See what happens. Like I said, I have no idea if this is going to work or not, and it's starting to look like not. But I wanted to start looking at this just to see if I can get it working. Restart terminal. Okay, it hasn't come up yet. Okay. All right, it's doing that. No, really? That started on its own. Yeah, I don't think it's got networking. Oh, it has. Interesting. But pinging is not working. What have I missed out? Anyone? I mean, my subnet don't look right. Ooh, 60. Interesting. Well, I'm going to take that out. I don't think it should be there anyway. Because I'm pretty sure one of the points of a VNet jail is that you do all the network configuration in the jail.conf file. All right, one more time. Okay. No. So why isn't networking working? Anybody? I mean, the jails are starting very cleanly now. Still not working, but I don't understand why. Okay, I think I know what's happening now. Yeah, I think ePair 60 doesn't have any networking assigned to it. So if config -g ePair, so it's created. So if I do if config ePair 60A VNET 60 /23 and then up. Okay, so they've both got an IP address. Let's start the jail. Because I don't think it started, is it? No. Oh yeah. So let's take that out then. We take all of that out. Flummoxed. Absolutely flummoxed. I will try that again. I'm not really sure what's happened. Like I said, if you do know what I've done, please do drop a comment, because that's going to drive me nuts. I mean, it's going to drive me really nuts, I think. So yeah, drop me a comment. Share, like, or don't like. I'm not sure I like what's happened. Anyway, it's now 2026, so Happy New Year. And I'll see you in the next video. I don't get what's happened. I really don't.